Morning students. Yesterday we saw the concept of a cross product and lots of things we saw how we can do the cross product, what is the meaning of cross product, and initially I taught you AB sin theta n cap, that was the initial definition, and I taught you about sin theta. Sin theta, it was A cross B upon mod n mod B, I think it was the formula of sin theta. About n cap, it was A cross B upon mod A cross B, I think it was all about that. Already we have seen all the formulas. N cap is none else but it is unit vector perpendicular to A and B. N cap is a unit vector perpendicular to A and B. This is a sign of angle between two vectors A and B, and this is A cross B initial definition. I also taught you when A1i, B1j, C1k, and suppose B is equal to A2i, B2j, and C2k. If we have these two, we can find their cross product by writing ijk, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. We will only write in determinant ijk, the coefficient of ijk and coefficient of ijk. We will simplify that determinant and get our answer A cross B in ijk form. Okay, this is initial definitions I explained yesterday. Moreover, I taught you about the area of parallelogram when two consecutive sides as a vector are given. The area of the parallelogram, I taught you it was A cross B in mod. And if we divide it in two parts, definitely it's going to be a triangle. So area of triangle will be half of A minus B. So all about yesterday we studied. We will see today some examples as well as some questions. It's very easy exercise. This is nothing hard it was. So let's look what is what are the questions. So I am having here in book example number 22. I start with example number 22. Look at 452 page. Find mod of A cross B. This is a question where A is equal to 2i plus j plus 3k and B is equal to 3i plus 5j minus 2k. So it's very easy question. We want to find here mod A cross B, so that first of all we will find A cross B. Taking A cross B, you know the meaning of A cross B. Don't use the definition A, B, sin theta and cap, because A and B are given in ijk form. Use the determinant method. So A cross B is equal to I, j, k. This is 2, 1 and 3. This is 3, 5 and minus 2. So now we can open it. You know that how to open a determinant. I minus 2, I minus 2 minus 15, minus 2 minus 15 I, minus j, minus 4 minus 9 j, and lastly plus k, 10 minus 3 k. So all we'll get answer 79. This is 13j and this is going to be 7k. So this you got A cross B. Then you have to find lastly determinant mod of A cross B, and you can understand that how we can take mod. Minus 17 square, so 13 square and 7 square. Do by your own. This is 289, this is 169 and this is 49. So lastly you can do by your own. Only addition is remaining. You can do it. This is a simple way to find A cross B and then find its mod also. Okay. Now we have 23. Example number 23. What it is this? Find a very good question. It is coming. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector A plus B and A minus B, where A and B are given. Very good question this is. I want to pull your attention towards the thing that I taught you. When it is A and it is B, this is its unit vector perpendicular to A and B. And I also taught you, just like the finger, this is A and this is B, this is n cap. This is n cap. n cap is a perpendicular of A and B. I am not talking about any angle of A and B, but n cap is the perpendicular of A and B. This n cap is called the perpendicular unit vector of A and B. In this question particularly we are told, let me first explain, when A and B are two vectors, what is n cap? So I taught you that n cap can be found by this formula, that only I taught you in the last lecture. Today only I revised this particular by writing on the board. So students, we will have two vectors. Can you see? We have two vectors. Given vectors are A is equal to, this is a I plus j plus k, and B is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. We have two vectors, and we want to find the unit vector perpendicular to not A and B but A plus B and A minus B. So A plus B will be a new vector, A minus B will be new vector, and we want to find the unit vector perpendicular to A plus B and A minus B. So for little bit convenient condition, I take, let R1 equal to A plus B and R2 is equal to A minus B. And now my question change. My question gonna be, find the unit vector perpendicular to R1 and R2, because A plus B I put name R1 vector and A minus B I call it as R2 vector. So we want to find the unit vector perpendicular to R1 and R2, which simple meaning is what? You know it, the R1 R2 upon mod R1 mod R2. This is none else but it is n cap, because we name it R1 and R2, A plus B and A minus B, and we are told to find the unit vector perpendicular to A plus B and A minus B. I name it A plus B equal to R1 and A minus B equal to R2. Now my question gonna change. Find the unit vector perpendicular to R1 and R2. So we will use this formula. So first of all I will find R1 and then I will find R2. So what are the R1 and R2? We will find it. Say R1 equal to A plus B. So I will add it. I and I, 2I, J, 3J, and this is 4K. And R2 is equal to A minus B. So this is 0I, this is a minus J, and this is minus 2K. So you have got R1 and R2. Now what we will do, you know that let n cap is a unit vector, n cap is a required unit vector. So n cap is equal to R1 cross R2 upon mod R1 R2. This is nothing but it is a formula yesterday derived all about. You know it. You can see the last lecture and ensure that okay we already have learnt it. Okay. N cap is equal to that. This we have already got the formula. What now required thing? We need R1 cross R2. Okay. So I'll find first R1 cross R2, and only one method we have, determinant method. So I, J, K, R1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll write 2, 3, 4, 0 minus 1, minus 2. I'll open it by all the way. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 2I. Minus 4, 0 plus 4J. And K minus 2 and 0 minus 2K. You know, I have made this opening of determinant directly. You can take time, you can do by step, the answer will be same. So this is none else but it is R1 plus R2 we got. Now we need n cap only. So we have R1 cross R2, which is I got minus 2I plus 4J minus 2K upon, this is mod of R1 cross R2. You know that how we can take mod. So mod will be 4, 16 and 4. So last answer is this and this will be 24. And 24 can be written 2 root 6. 4 upon 2 root 6. You know, J, and 2 upon 2 root 6K. So can we simplify that? 1 by 6I. This is going to be 2 by root 6J, and this is going to be 1 by root 6K. So whatever the answer we finally got, this is the unit vector perpendicular to R1 and R2. The other meaning is unit vector perpendicular to A plus B and A minus B. Now that is a simple thing we have got. So students, the last one was a bit hiding, I think. This is If this is hiding, let me write it here. Let me write it again here, don't worry. This was, we got n cap equal to minus 2i plus 4j minus 2k upon 4 plus 16 plus 4. You know, from where I use this formula. R1 cross R2, this value, and it is mod. And lastly, we have a 24, meaning 2 root 6i. This is 24, meaning 2 root 6j. And this is 24, meaning 2 upon 2 root 6k. And now simplify the answer, 1 by 6j, sorry, I, 2 by root 6j. And this was, I think, minus of 1 by root 6k. So this is the final answer. Again I have written because that area I think was hiding in the video, so that. Okay, so this is all about the question. Hope you have got it. Nothing it was hard, only simple formula we used, and I think you can do it. Now the next question I'm having, example number 24, where we have a triangle ABC where 1 1 1 it is, 1 2 3 it is, and 2 3 1 it is. And find the area of triangle. Very easy question this is. We want to find the area. I taught you yesterday a very good thing, that area can be found easily. You just need a 2 vector which actually are adjacent sides. So you can first find 2 adjacent vector as a sides actually. So where they are, suppose you choose B. So you find only BC and BA. If you want to find, you would begin from C, CB, CA you can choose, or AB, AC you can choose. So any 2 vector, even with any direction, like if someone is finding AB and BC, still accepted, because we are actually finding the mod, the area in mod. So nothing worry about the direction, but only follow the right way. The way is you choose any one vertex and find 2 particular adjacent vector from that point, BC and BA. So first of all we will find that 2. Okay, so by definition of position vector, I find first BC. BC, you know that what is the formula? Position vector of C minus position vector of B. So position vector of C minus position vector of B. You also can write that OC minus OB. Position vector of C minus position vector of B. Or you can write direct. So I prefer direct. How we can do? This minus this and ijk. Like 2 minus 1, 1 I. 3 minus 2, 1 j. And 1 minus 3, minus 2k. That is BC. And BA, what is BA? BA, you know, same method. 1 minus 1, 0 I. 1 minus 2, minus j. And 1 minus 3 is minus 2k. So we have got BC and BA. Now, the area of a triangle, it is very easy, 1 by 2. In mod, we will do cross product of these 2 vectors. You know, I taught you yesterday 1 by 2 in mod A cross B. So where is it? This is my A, this is my B. It's a BC cross B. This is only to find out. But again a question mark. How we can find BC cross BA? So we will do it again, taking BC cross BA, which is none else but it is determinant. I taught you this, ijk. So BC equal to 1, 1 minus 2, 1, 1 and minus 2. And what about that BA? 0, minus 1 and minus 2. So open it by all the way. Minus 2, so minus 4. I. This is minus 2, meaning 2, j. And this is minus 2 and k. So you got BC cross BA. So only remaining area of triangle, which is a half mod this. Half mod this. So we already got the value of this now. So finally we will find the mod of this particular vector, which is square root. Minus 4 square, 2 square, and minus 2 square. So lastly it is 24, and 24 meaning for 2, 6. So 2 into cancel. So your answer is root 6, which is the area of the triangle. So it was so easy. It was so easy. missing somewhere. Determinant, I think, a wrong. Open it. IJK 0 1 2 1 2 0. Oh, let me check the question. 1 1 1 1 2 3 and 2 3 1. Okay, so BC was 2 minus 1 1 I, 3 minus 2 J, and 1 minus 2 K. BA meaning 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 2 is a minus 1, and 1 minus 2 is minus 2K. It was all about fine. Second thing is for the area of triangle 1 upon 2 BC cross BA we have chosen. So it was BC cross BA 1 IJK 1 1 minus 2 1 1 minus 2 and 0 minus 1 and minus 2. I'll open it again. Minus 2 and then minus 2, that is minus 4. Minus 2 0 meaning plus 2 and minus 1, and that was minus 1 actually. I wrote it, it's minus 2. So what will change? This was gonna be 1K and this gonna be 1. So whole answer will be, it is 21 upon 2 square. You need not write square it, something like that. You can drop your answer right here. So this is example number 24. We have made it, and now I have a same question 25th. Example number 25th, again very easy question. Question is very easy. We have a 3I plus j plus 4k and b equal to I minus j plus k. Find the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are this one. So A and B are none else but these are adjacent sides of parallelogram. You know, it is A and it is B. These are adjacent sides and we want to find its area. So I don't think that I need to tell you again and again. You know that area of parallelogram is none else but it is A cross B. So again and again same method. I don't want to explain because A cross B you know how to find out, and after finding A cross B you only do its mod and get answer. So this is very simple. Let me run this out. Now we have reached on the exercise 10.4. Few questions I will explain here. We have a question number fifth one. Fifth one is looking good. Find the fifth one is looking good. Find the lambda and mu if 2I plus 6j plus 27k cross product I plus lambda j plus mu k is equal to 0. This is a very simple question where two vectors are given in the different format, IJK format. Cross this, these two vector having cross product equal to 0, we want to find the lambda and mu. How we can find? Very easy. Let me speak something. Solution. We are given 2I plus 6j plus 27k cross product of I plus lambda j plus mu k is equal to 0 vector. Let me explain. You should know these are two simple IJK vector whose cross product is given by determinant. So this is I, this is j, this is k, 2 6 27 and 1 lambda and mu is equal to 0. Now we can open it. 6 mu minus 27 lambda I, 2 mu minus 27 j, you know, and plus 2 lambda minus 6k. And one thing I tell you, it is vector. This is vector value, it is a cross product, it is equal to 0. Now this 0 you will write like 0I, 0z and k. It is null vector actually. It is null vector actually because this is vector, this also be vector. Now you can compare. So you can compare now. On comparing the easiest concept. No, don't take this equal to 0 because it is having mu and lambda both. Leave it. Second, choose minus of 2 mu minus 27 is equal to 0. So do the transfer of minus sign. 2 mu is equal to 27. So mu is equal to 27 upon 2. You got answer. Second concept, a comparing of k. 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. So one can understand 2 lambda equal to 6. lambda equal to 3. This is answer. So this was so easy question moving on. So hope you have got. And now student, leaving all the questions on you, you please try. I don't think that the question is tough. So all questions are very easy. The example already we explained. So just by taking help of examples, you can do the exercise. Okay, thank you.